Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to Beginner's Guide to Makeup, the series that helps busy women with their makeup struggles in just a few easy steps. Today we're focusing on liquid eyeshadows, so if this is something you are interested in, then just keep on watching. For this lesson, you will need 2 to 3 brushes, a blending brush, a pencil brush, and a fluffy shadow brush. This one is optional though. You will need the star of the show, 2 liquid shadows, 1 matte and 1 shimmer. If you don't have a matte eyeshadow, however, you can save your coins and use a liquid lipstick like me. And lastly, a highlight shade. This can be a nude or a beige or even a matte or shimmer, but this step is totally optional. If you're new to makeup, you might be a little confused about shadow placement and lingo, so let's run through this quickly. The lid of the eye is the area from the top of your eyeball down to your lash line. The crease is the area right above your eyeball. The brow bone is just under the brow. The inner corner is the area between your tear duct and your nose. And lastly, the lower lash line, which is the area just under your lower lashes. Before we apply any products, you want to prime your lids. This can be with a shadow primer or a concealer and powder. This will give coverage to the lids, covering any veins or discoloration. It will make eyeshadows pop, and it will also prevent your shadows from creasing throughout the day or night. Take your matte liquid shadow or lipstick and apply 3 small dots using the wand on the crease of the eye, and then create 2 more dots towards the lash line, creating a sideways V. Take your blending brush and hold it at the end of the handle for the least amount of pressure. This will ensure a soft and flawless blend. Start blending the shadows from the outer corner down to the lash line and also across the crease of the eye in windshield wiper motions until everything is smooth and even. You want to work quickly with this, as it will be a lot harder to blend when the shadows set. Once that's done, you can focus on the lower lash line. You can take 2 teeny weeny little dots and place them right under the lashes. Then you can take your pencil brush, again holding the handle at the very end for the least amount of pressure and a flawless blend. And then you can start blending out the lower lash line. Also make sure you connect the top and bottom lash lines together. Take your glitter shadow and apply this to the crease of the eye first to get a clean shape, then blend the colour all over the lid, using less pressure when you touch the outer corner shade. Take your ring finger, as this has the least amount of pressure, and then tap on the glitter to gently blend out any harsh edges without blending away the glitter. Then you can run over everything with your blending brush to make sure everything is soft and blended. This part is totally optional, but I feel like it ties the whole look together and really makes the eyes pop. I pop a little bit of that shadow right in the inner corner. Again, this will open up the eyes and make them pop. And then just apply a little bit right under the brow bone or the brow to really lift and open the eyes. And then you can finish off with your mascara or lashes of your choice. I really hope you enjoyed this week's lesson. Pop back on Tuesday for another beginner's lesson, and also feel free to check out the Beginner's Guide to Makeup playlist. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. My question for you is, what tip did you find most valuable from this video? Take care, and I hope I get to see you in my next video. Bye!